Hello guys, today I'd like to give you some instructions about how to install the ZL bracket with the magnetic lock. Now okay, this is our lock. Now firstly, let's take off the cover. Okay, now you can see the PCB board, and also you can see the anti-dismantle screws here and also here. And now we will use the hexagonal screwdriver to take off the two anti-dismantle screws. Okay, and now we will insert the hose and dismantle the mounting plate. And then we use the hexagonal screwdriver to dismantle the mounting plate. Now you can see here. Okay, now we already take off the mounting plate. Now firstly, let's fix the L part on the top of the door frame through this hose. And then we will fix the EM lock like this. And you can use a screwdriver here to fix it. And then let's come to the Z part. First, let's combine the two parts together through this side. And we will get a Z shape like this. And then we fix this part onto the door leaf through this hose. And this side we will fix here with the plate. Okay, now we need to fix the plate here through this hole. And then when you are closing the door, you will see the demonstration like this. Okay, now that's all about the installation of the magnetic lock with ZL bracket. Thanks for watching. See you next time.